Hello again, this is Captain John with another one of my video tips of the week. In today's video tip, I'm going to show you how to use land contours or spot heights to back up the GPS when making landfall along a coastline. On this nautical chart, note the wavy lines on this mountain found just inside the coastline. Contour height values can be shown for each individual elevation, or they may be staggered. We've highlighted the staggered contour values on this nautical chart to help them stand out day or night. Elevation values may be in feet or meters above mean sea level or above a specific reference datum. Check the chart notes in the vicinity of the title block to find this information. A black dot accompanied by a number called a spot height are the peaks of a mountain or the highest part of a hill or cliff. Spot heights are ideal to use for navigation, for taking bearings, radar ranges, or to use as waypoints for your GPS. In this illustration, note how the contour lines are dashed or broken. This means approximate or incomplete survey. Use dashed or broken lines with great caution. It's always best to use solid, unbroken lines for more accurate navigation. Here you can see the latest electronic symbols used for contour lines and spot heights. You will find a symbol similar to this on the latest vector charts that are available for commercial and recreational mariners. Move your cursor over or near the spot height, and the height will pop up nearby. Note that this height is accompanied by a small m, which means meters. Now you know how to use land contours and spot heights to back up the GPS and help you make landfall along a coastline. This is Captain John, and this has been another one of my video tips of the week. Find more sailing tips and techniques on www.skippertips.com.